Here you can see I am using two WhatsApp on my Android mobile. One is WhatsApp, this one, you can see it, and second one is in parallel space and continue to this app and WhatsApp. So you can see here I am using two WhatsApp on my Android mobile. Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mubashir Sohail. I hope you are will be fine. Today friends I will tell you how to use two WhatsApp in Android mobile. So let's start. First open Play Store, then search parallel space. You will find an application, so install it. It will take some time. Installing almost completed. So app has been installed. Open it. After opening, you should accept the agree and continue, and then continue. Welcome to parallel space, and allow your location, and allow phone calls, and allow media and photos, and then tap on start. Here you find many applications. Select that application which you want to clone or which you want to use two times. So I use WhatsApp and tap on add to parallel space and accept permissions. So and then I click on and install it, and then click on parallel space 64-bit support. It's support for parallel space. So it is almost completed, and open it. It's then again open parallel space and WhatsApp, and you should grant permissions, location, telephone and storage, and allow location, and again allow photos and media on your device. Here you should accept the language which you want to select, and then click on agree and continue. Here you will give the number of your WhatsApp. I will give. So after giving number, tap on next, then click on OK. So here you will get a code. Type it 669 212. So your verification completed, and tap on continue, allow, and here skip this permission. Here you will give your WhatsApp name. So I will give my name and tap on next. So here you can see that my WhatsApp is logged in. Friends, so friends, take care of you and your family.